Welcome to Volrath University. I'm Chef Rich, and today we're going to prepare a little chicken marsala using the Mirage induction unit. So let's start prepping our entree. We've got a little fresh chicken breast, boneless, skinless breast that we've sliced thin. We've got some mushrooms, a little chicken stock, some fresh butter, a little oregano, Marsala wine, a little chopped parsley for a little garnish at the end, and then a little flour to dredge our chicken in. So let's go ahead and get our pan hot. Okay, so let's put a little oil in this pan now. A little olive oil. Okay. And I like to put a little butter in there as well. I like the butter, the flavor. Now we'll take our chicken, we'll season our chicken. A little salt, fresh pepper. And then we're going to dredge in flour. Just a little flour here. The flour is going to give us a nice little coating on there. So we have something nice for a little coating, a little color. And also the flour is going to flour is also going to be used as a thickening agent. We're going to make a little roux in this pan actually with that flour. So just a nice dredge. And one more piece. You can see this unit really cool on the outside here again. We don't have much heat loss coming out. Also, look at this, how nice this is if you're doing front of the house cooking. Front of the house or back of the house is a perfect location for induction. Let's go ahead and add some mushrooms now to this. Start working some mushrooms down. Chicken we're going to let in the pan, finish cooking, but I want to get these mushrooms started a little bit. Okay, now I don't know if you can see this or not. We got some nice brown on our chicken, and also that flour has created a little bit of fond on the bottom of the pan. We're going to use that now to create our sauce. So we'll add a little chicken stock. I like a little bit of chicken stock to this, just to help thin that back a little. And then a little of our Marsala wine, and then a little oregano in there as well. Now we'll let that just cook down. And that's going to deglaze this pan and actually thicken our sauce a little bit with that flour that's been on the bottom of the pan, as we talked about earlier. So now we're just going to let this reduce down and thicken up just a little bit. Okay, now we've got nice and thick. Let's go ahead and plate. Let's take our chicken, arrange it nicely on our plate. All right, so there you have it. Very classic chicken marsala, Mirage induction. Again, just perfect range for either front or back of the house cooking. All the tight control that you have with 1 to 100 power settings or temperature settings. Mirage induction, really the way to go. If you have any questions about the Mirage unit, please see us online at volrath.com. And for Rich's recipe on the chicken marsala, please visit us at volrathuniversity.com.